Steamed broccoli combined with couscous, toasted almonds, red onion and dried cranberries is a delicious, easy to prepare summer salad that pairs well with grilled meats. Both the broccoli and the couscous can be steamed in the steam oven at the same time instead of using several saucepans. And of course, while they're steaming, you can assemble all the other ingredients and prepare the dressing. It will only take approximately 6 to 7 minutes to steam the broccoli and the couscous. This is fast cooking couscous. So that's all you have to do is pop them in the oven and in the steam mode at 212 degrees and set the timer for 6 minutes. When the couscous comes out of the oven, let it cool slightly and fluff it with a fork before gently folding it in with the other ingredients. Once you become comfortable orchestrating the cooking of multiple pans in your steam oven, I know you'll find food preparation much easier, certainly easier than juggling multiple pans on the cooktop. So I hope you'll be adventurous, and remember, it's not the cooking that's hard, it just takes a little planning. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.